Yo, yo, what up?
Good day, all.
What up?
Go, GJ, go. Oh, wait, not yet. What's up?
Yo, I like sells, but 4 hour gave me a bullish bias now. Actually, let me see if MT4 broke above. Yeah, it did barely.
I like the bullish bias, but if we get sells, we can take it.
Yeah, we just need, I think, a close above here or even the 15-minute. Close above here, I think we'll head up a little bit. Well, we don't know what's valid. We just trade what we see, and it either works or it doesn't work. There's no specific way to know if anything's valid or not. My MT4 on GJ 4 hour is bullish currently, and it broke the previous 4 hour bearish candle. So until it comes back and flips and comes back down here, I'm gonna look for buys up to, I'm thinking 4 hour might push up into here. So we'll see. I mean, my idea is based on the 4 hour. Yep, no problem. What up, John?
Yo.
Yep.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good myself.
What up, Lewis? Yep, 10 minutes for NZD news. Is that today? Tuesday? Yep, okay. Yeah, it could be a fake out to go down, but it gave a buy confirmation. If this resistance holds, price will probably come down, or we'll see more sideways movement in between these two areas. Nope, ads are always there. Sometimes if you come on right away when it starts, the ads have not turned on yet, but if you press refresh, you'll get one after that.
One thing I noticed for GG on the 4 hour,
Mm-hmm.
is like right up support, like where the wicks are.
Yeah,
To the
right
left.
here.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
So if we look on the daily, kind of fell into this area again. This one broke past here, so if this one breaks past here, possibly come fill this wick here. But if we look at the weekly could have just been making a bottom wick to then continue back up. Because this would make sense where we would kind of turn around. So I think we could head up. I mean, hourly, if we get above there, maybe get into there. Or come up to here on the hourly.
Oh, I want to like the stream, but I feel today I need your permission. Can I have your permission to like the stream, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I liked it because I know it's going to be good.
I hope so. We'll see what the holiday does.
It's all good.
I mean, I think the hourly can get up to there if we go up.
I think YouTube changed the algorithm again.
What's up?
Because I think YouTube changed the algorithm again. Because when I was searching your channel up and everything like that, it it shows live, like that you're live. This time it didn't. It went back to the other thing. Yeah, I don't know what's happening.
That sucks.
I've noticed YouTube switches that a bit back and forth. I think they have difficulties and they're like reconciling it.
Maybe they're trying different things out.
Could be.
Yeah, but it's almost like it doesn't work some of the time. So maybe they're just trying to like, or yeah, they could be switching it and then collecting stats and then switching it and collecting stats.
Oh. You should be able to check it in your market watch window. Or just get a spread indicator. Excuse me. What's up, Paul? Yep. Yeah, someone's got a blinker on in the background. Gotta chill.
If GG breaks a little support you made, there's clean room to the left to head down.
Here or down here?
Where the mouse is right now. Because for my MT4, like those wicks on the previous candle and the current candle are like down there.
This one right here?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I saw anything below here is clean down to...
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would be like super nice sells.
Mm-hmm. So I'm waiting for it. Otherwise, if we close above here, I think we'll take it up.
The only thing about taking it up is I just don't like how there's so many like, levels they can like stop and like create a little resistance and then have to break that again.
It's good on the hourly though. So
Yeah, but I like based off the 30-minute because I like to like execute off the 30 or 15 and like close off the 30 and 15. So that's the only thing.
I agree. Well, if we're gonna go down, I think we should stay under this level and definitely under here.
Is your MT4 different from the trading view? Because those wicks for me are like way lower, like near the support.
My MP4 looks really messed up right now.
Okay.
It's a huge bullish candle with a bottom wick. What up, JR?
Yeah, mine has a bottom wick too, but like all these wicks right here are lower.
Yo, what's going on, guys?
Yep.
Happy Cinco de Mayo, everyone.
Yep.
Another holiday on quarantine.
Really?
Yeah, I was kind of looking at this GJ here. If it breaks this 15-minute high, take it for a buy to fill that wick.
Mm-hmm. I think that looks good. Let me check the 15. Yeah.
I feel like if it breaks that current or the previous 15, it'll break the other couple that it's got there.
Yeah, because that's a bullish 30-minute too.
Yeah, and an hourly.
Oh, okay, okay.
Cinco de Mayo, Quarantino.
No, Wicks Don't Lie is not in here.
My only thought is like, would I put stop on the 15 that breaks it or the previous, because this 15 doesn't really even have a wick at the bottom. It's like very minimal.
It's up to you.
Yeah, it's like a little nub on it.
I mean, if you're looking in the 30-minute, 30-minute made a bottom wick, so it shouldn't come back and break that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
If
Even
we go
if you do put it at the 30, it's only a 10 pip stop.
So yeah, maybe keep the safe stop because it's a smaller stop.
Yeah, I feel like that'd be real safe. Because if it breaks that, then for sure it's coming down.
What up, Drew? GJ is moving sideways. I'd be careful on that break, though, just because it is kind of ranging right there on the 15-minute.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at as well.
I think a close would be better.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait until Asian Open anyway.
Are you sticking with GJ? Is that what you decided?
Yep.
All right.
Taking some classic Paul advice here.
It works most of the time.
I think I'm gonna stick a small buy on and then go get some coffee.
You like it coming up, Cats?
What'd you say? Yeah, I like. I'm just gonna probably do an aggressive entry and go get some coffee. If I come back and draw down, I'll cry. Maybe I'll come back and you guys will make money already.
I mean, the 4-hour kind of did tap into that heavy support area again. But there's an hour 4 wick to fill to the bottom side as well. That's a little bit cleaner.
I think right now it's just a waiting game. Because, like you said, it did tap into the 4-hour support, but if it does break that, the sells would be so nice.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too.
It's just that like that's a strong support and it has to break that. Because they can wick down lower and then come right back up.
Mm-hmm.
Well, my bias is bullish right now until it's bearish. So we'll see what happens. Yo, Dave, you here's your mic on?
Yeah, I mean.
So my buddy and I were playing just before this, and there was like 15 people left, and it was just two of us in a trios, and I took out a whole team in one clip. They were so mad, and then I got us down to the last like 4 people, and then I died.
Like the best thing when you kill somebody and you can hear their mic real quick for like a split second.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
Yeah, everyone that died was like, "Oh, you," and they're just like swearing at me. They'd be like, "You suck!" I'm like, I just killed your whole team. Chill out.
I'm calling it Paul's cheating. He's hacking.
Avado said, he's like, "What aimbot you using?" And I was like, "The same one I trade with." No, I hit some nasty snipes today too. I got 6 kills with 5 bullets with a Car 98. I'm down, Drew. Let's go. I'm gonna be playing all night tonight. I got permission.
I'll be on.
Alright, let's do it. I'm down. Asian Open is in 1 hour and 4 minutes. Nope, this is my job. Gasmond. Trading, coaching, live streaming, and working out and playing Call of Duty is what I do. Exactly, Andrew. I just like to look at one pair because you just learn the moves. So like a lot of times when GJ drops, like most people would assume this being a weak close, you're going to continue up. If you trade GJ, you see it made a low. You close bearish, you know most of the time if it's downward movement, we're going to fill it, come down. Same thing here, you got a weak close, came down. Got a weaker close of the wick, came down. I mean, this one came down, it wasn't super weak, but I mean, you get the idea. Kind of weaker close, wick to fill, came down. Weaker close, wick to fill, came down. So like, kind of how GJ moves, just easier. I have no idea, Tiger. Yeah, if it breaks down, it'll be really nice.
That dude straight up putting on pants on camera.
What's up?
This guy in the Zoom. Aaron Lane. Just put pants on. And then he sees camera now. It's like getting dressed in front of the camera.
Oh my god. Double top. Nope, I don't use double top or double bottom. I use strictly price action, and that is it. I think we could be bearish, but I'm bullish till otherwise. And this closed below, so we're still moving sideways. Definitely gonna want to wait on this one.
Kind of mixed signals. That's how you know it's ranging on a 30-minute. When it closes bullish, but it made a lower low and lower high last 3 30-minute candles. It's kind of mixed signals. At least on my MT4, I don't know about trading view.
Let me check MT4. Yeah, Yassine, I don't. I swear every day you're just in here disagreeing.
I have a feeling that since this was a new hour, I feel like this is going to pull back down to that little support, and then this will be the 15, or the next 15 will be the one to break that top area, probably.
Yeah, we'll see. I like the 30-minute on MT4. It looks really good on the 30-minute.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, because if it breaks this top here, then I think it's going to go fill that one bearish wick. Well, actually, the 2 wicks. There's a bullish one and a bearish one.
Where's the bearish one?
I'm on the 30-minute on MT4.
Oh, that little guy. Yeah, I see.
Both of mine are like all the way up to the top, so it looks different than TradingView by like.
Yeah.
Oh no, my MT4 is a little different.
I believe my MT4 looks like Mike's.
Yeah, because I mean, on 30-minute, as long as this thing pulls above that previous one, I think this is gonna come up to like the 132, 650 area, and fill both those wicks.
Yeah, we'll see. I answered that yesterday. I don't know why you're back here asking again. I told you 100 million billion lots. That's what I'm trading. Yeah, so far so good, Andrew. I just got the account today, so.
Hey, did you notice that on the in the client portal though, on the economic calendar side, it'll show you your restricted events. You gotta take note of that.
I'm assuming anything news related, correct?
Yeah, but there's a couple, not everything. So there's only a few that are restricted, and it'll tell you in your client area.
Okay, yeah, I gotta check that out. But I didn't get any emails for restricted stuff today.
I did, so you gotta check that. I got an email about today's stuff, which is NZD and oil also, but double check that.
You said it should be in my email.
Yep.
How you doing, Paul?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, news alerts. Yep, NZD and oil. That's all. So I'm good.
Market looks pretty slow today.
Yeah.
There's no setups at all.
Yep, I have the account right now, Jason.
I'm about to take partials on my GJ short.
Oh, you're already in?
Yeah, I'm in from 55.7.
Ooh, nice.
See a really good trade on UJ. However, the 4-hour buy is not valid, so I'm not trading it.
One thing I'm watching here is if this 30-minute low breaks again, I think it's gonna flush down
I agree.
to 330, something like that, 340.
I'll be breaking the hourly as well. Yep, millions and billions of lots. That's what we're trading.
Just push the button so you can send it down for us.
Yeah, let's press sell on this $1 billion lot. Yeah, I think if you break those lows, you'll probably hit that support down there. I mean, I don't know how could it be relevant to you? Do we have the same account size? Do we have the same broker? Are we gonna have the same stop loss? Are we gonna have the same take profit? I don't see how the lot size is relevant to you if it's not your trade. So whether you trade options or not, that doesn't really matter because we're not in an options live stream. So that has no relevancy here at all.
I think this guy's trolling you.
Yeah, I know.
We're trolling the chat.
Yeah, I know.
He's an idiot.
Oh yeah, I know. He'll be outie in the next dumb question, so. One Lambo per trade. Yeah, I'm gonna up it to 2 Lambos per trade next week. Alright, Emily, I think we got our first chart of the evening. There you go, John. Nice job. You beat me to it. Ooh, this chart looks good. Alright, so your target, if support is respected, I like it. Kind of your super target. Created a high. This bullish candle breaks highs of this candle. Yes, makes sense. And then you got support formed, agreed. And this could be like your daily support, where we kind of stay above and head up. Yes, I think if this support holds, we will have a better chance of breaking up. But remember, it's a holiday, so we might not break either. So I would say stick to the 30-minute and the 1 hour for today, because 15-minute could have a lot of fake outs. And looks like we just broke the 30. I didn't see a chart, Frankie. I might have missed it. Let me see. I saw you said they both look yummy and bearish. Yeah, just resend it. There's too much to go through. There we go. Yep, that was a beautiful chart. Emily, nice job. I hope I said that right. Yeah, it looks good. Unless that says Emily? Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay. Notice me, please. Oh my god. Get out of here with that. Sells below here. That's a big stop loss for no reason. I think you can have a better stop loss than that if you come down. If you get a close below here, you could probably have half of this stop loss and make this matter that much more. But looks good. I'll try to notice you more. Yep, yeah, I'm gonna wait for that. That's all. I'm gonna wait and see what happens.
This worked below the previous hourly.
I saw that.
Which is nice.
Yep. I said if we get down here, we shouldn't be ranging today, and we should see a nice move down. If we can't even get here, then we're probably just gonna range. It's 10 pips. Well, I don't know, Frankie. You didn't tell me. You just sent me a chart with a chart on it. I'm just saying, whether it's 10 pips or not, you can probably have a better stop. Because if you're waiting for it to close all the way down here, the odds of your stop loss having to be above this level, and then above here and above here, I think you can have a better stop, making this mean more. That's all. What up, Sebastian? You've always wanted to try what? What do you want to try, John? I don't know what you mean. I think you're good, Dave. You close below your little support here. Got a new low. I think you should be okay as long as this establishes a new low.
Yeah, I'm at 7.5 pips right now. I'm gonna hold it, I think. I'll get some sort of.
Just go break even. It's either gonna keep
Yeah,
going or take you
right
out
now.
and dick around.
I'm gonna go break even if this hourly closes bearish. I'm gonna wait and see if this hourly does, or 30-minute. I guess it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Right? No, this 30-minute I'm looking at, not the hourly. The first half hour.
Yeah, if you're up 8, because that entire bearish candle's at 8. So, I mean, if it comes back all the way up here, it's probably going to just dick around.
It's 10 right there.
Beautiful. Could be a good runner. No, Mohammed, I put you on timeout. What up, Cosette? Yeah, it didn't break my MT4 hourly though. I've been mad. That's how mad I am, apparently. Bye-bye, buddy. See you later, little man. Was that not like 15 for you, Dave? No, it's still 10.
Yeah, it's still 10. I mean, it's coming down though.
I think so too.
This 4 hours is gonna flip, I think. And if it does that, that means it faked up and then flipped down, and it's gonna fill that wick. That's what I'm watching.
What wick are you looking at? 4 hour?
Yeah, sorry, 4 hour wick.
At like 132 even-ish, 131, 940.
Yeah, I've got my runner TP at 132 even, or just about 132.01.
Gotcha. You can take a trade whenever you want. Certified. Nope, I had no issue. I purchased it once and that was it. Yeah, I got you, Andrew. Pull this up real fast. Below there, target that wick fill. Yep. I think that makes sense. You have clean traffic down here. Down to here, if we got the volume, that should be a nice, easy move. Yep. See you later, man. Have a good one. You go, Chan. Nice job. I'm gonna go to the bathroom so this thing dumps down to the sell area for you guys.
Hey, how's it going, guy?
What's up, Alejandro?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good.
No, juniors suck.
My TJMT4 is so different than Paul's trading view right now.
Yeah, my anti-force we're on like a it's in the bottom right now.
Alright, I'm here. Alright, JB, I'm gonna pull up your EJ chart. Looks good, yeah. I like it.
Hopefully GJ follows it.
Yeah. I hope so, Angel. As this is the last area that could stop us. Dave, what broker did you go with? Did you go with the FTMO one?
No, I picked purple trading.
What's your spread at?
GJ is at 1.6 right now.
Same.
Got my coffee and came back. Looks like nothing much happened.
Nope. I don't know what my SL is going to be because we don't have an entry yet. I don't know my SL if we don't have a candle to enter on. Yeah, my spreads are on GJ sitting at like half a pip to 1.5 pips. So not bad.
Yeah, I don't trust GJ for down. I think it's had a long down.
Yeah, we'll see.
I'm gonna wait until it does the bullish thing. Just gonna wait.
I think LMFX is really good for spreads. The zero account, it's always GJ's always under like a pip or 1.5 pips. Whoop, there you go. Should see it continue down. Tiger, you can go to his website on his Instagram, or you can go to the one in the middle of the screen. It's up to you. The one in the middle of the screen is mine. If you go to his Instagram, you will find his.
You know what the most irritating thing ever is?
Hmm.
I just was creating a chart for you to look at, right? Just to send in.
Yeah.
I put so much time into it, and then because I don't have like a, what is it called, trading view account. Like I don't, not even the free one or anything. I used to just search it up and use it. A pop-up came and I can't even take the screenshot of it now. I would for like the past 20 minutes I've been adding so much detail.
Did you just send it?
No, I'm trying to send it right now.
Oh, okay.
Thank God it didn't get deleted. I just quickly signed a Flickr account.
Yeah, I think I pay like $12 a month for no ads.
No, it's not even that. It's just the fact that I didn't even create an account. Like in general, I will just go on their site and just use it quickly and just take a screenshot. But I think it just took too much time or something like that today. This is me being lazy.
Just close another 50% that runner on that. And there's a 13.
Tiger, the website's right in the middle of the screen for you. Should be. Yep. It'll be that website right above the word subscribe. Yep.
So you're gonna be looking for sells if it breaks this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Not like on the break, but once it does break, then I'll be
Hold on.
switching to look for the sells. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just sent my chart, Paul.
Yep. I see.
It's slightly different because I based it somewhat off my MT4 also,
Right.
instead of trading view.
All right, walk me through.
Okay, one sec. So basically, I entered. There was a mini support right here based off the 50-minute, like off the bodies, not the wicks.
Mm-hmm.
I entered once this big bearish 50-minute counter formed. This one, I entered once this broke below that previous wick, and then my target's down here based off my MT4. When I scroll to my left, it's not. I don't have this in my MT4, so I didn't want to base my target off that.
Gotcha.
And then the only thing with my entry, I based off a fact that I broke that previous hourly low. So I was with that being said, I believe that's going to keep heading down lower. The only risky part about it is it's near the 4-hour support, so it can wick down. It can wick down and come right back up, which it has done previously. If you scroll left, that's the only risky part due to the fact that I added smaller positions. But once this 15-minute broke the low of this small bullish 50-minute, I added 2 more positions with a stop loss above here.
Gotcha.
So I've reduced risk, and my second target's like 40 pips down. It's just that you can't see it on this MT4.
Beautiful.
I took the same trade.
Nice.
The only risky part is this the 4-hour, because it can wick down and then come right back up, which it has done in the past.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm worried about this thing maybe coming back and forming support again, and then it just moving sideways. So we'll see. Thanks, Josh. Yeah, we got 1080 now. I hope it's good.
I feel like a sucker explaining things. I like stutter so much.
If you're not in either of those groups, Ben, you don't get the link. Yeah, if it doesn't do anything at open, we're gonna end it early tonight because not gonna sit here and look at nothing. JB said something about EJ earlier, so. Nope, it is not an option for me. That would be breaking my rules. I'm more than comfy just sitting on my hands and not taking a trade till tomorrow for New York and then Asian. I mean, volume was incredible on Sunday. But yesterday was crap. And I don't remember what happened. Yesterday would have been Monday. Sunday was good. Yeah, it'll be back tomorrow. We should be fine. And back to normal for Wednesday's session. Yep, I know there's a holiday. Come on now. I think I just... Wow. Oh, wow. No way, Mojo. Wow. Yeah, I didn't hear. Let me see. Oh, wow. Bank holiday. No way. I definitely did not check because I had the tab up. So, yeah. Does 15 start going sideways? I wouldn't say there's no hope yet. We'll see what this one does.
Hey, Paul.
Yep.
If you look at the 5 minute, I'm not sure on trading view, it just looks clean because it looks like it keeps creating lower highs and lower lows. Which it is a 5 minute, but like just take some poop.
Yeah, it looks good. I'm watching that on MT4. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just a little extra sarcastic today, I guess.
He's got some sass in him.
Yep. Windows 98 keyboard. I don't even know what that means. It's an iBuy Power keyboard.
Oh wow, I just sent the wrong chart. My bad.
So the sessions in the background, just go to your indicators and type in session time zones and it'll pop up and then you can set them to your trading time. So you can see this Asian, for my Asian was crap. This was my New York. This was also crap. This was New York Monday. Not very good. And then I think Asian on Sunday was right here. See, my mic's not supposed to pick up my keyboard. I think it's because it's a new keyboard. I gotta go change the settings again.
Movements are definitely small today. Reminds me of yesterday.
What?
Oh, I watched GJ and there was only like 1.5 hour candle yesterday that was one that went down and one that went up, and then it ranged again for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 hours. And then at night, I mean, after the New York, it came all the way down.
Seems to be moving outside of the sessions better.
Yeah, it's a little strange.
I mean, we haven't really moved that far. Since we came to the chart, we moved about 14 pips. I'm
Yep.
down. I'm down, Dave.
Alright. I'm gonna trail it on a 30-minute. Once every 30-minute resistance is formed,
Yeah, I was just saying. I don't know if I do the 30-minute candle. I would maybe just do this resistance. If we
No.
get below here, trail it below here.
Yep.
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 Or
No.
just like hourly
No.
candles might even be good.
Yeah, I mean, I've been really watching the wicks and focusing more on where candles are closing. We'll see, but yeah, it formed resistance at like, what was that? Oh, like 550, something like that, around there. So we'll chase down that forms again.
Second cup of coffee. Such a luxury. Just sipping the coffee and watching the paint dry. I think the pound might start moving a bit.
Yeah, we'll see.
Oh, it just might be the hourly push.
This is my favorite song on the playlist, by the way.
Yeah, same. Same. This and Savannah.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
Oh wow, that thing moved. I looked down for a second.
Yep. Got a little Japanese strength there.
Is it going to be enough though?
Yeah, I don't know. It's just you see it's all the way back where it was again.
But the 4 hour flipped while I walked away.
Mm-hmm.
Looked right back when I got back to the desk.
Yeah, we did not break.
Yeah, it's actually a pretty nasty rejection on 30 minutes.
Yeah, if it doesn't do anything in this 30 minutes, I'm going to just call it for the night, and we'll be back for a full session tomorrow.
Are you gonna look for a short if the 4 hour flips, or what are you waiting on?
I want us to get a new low on that 4 hour to make a bottom wick, and then see what happens.
Gotcha.
Good morning.
Oh, yeah. What's up, Ash?
Hello, hello. How we all doing?
Good. How are you?
Yeah,
Ashley Stranger, greetings.
yeah, they just like opened up Vietnam, so I've been on a bit of a loose one. So I've been trading London
I missed
recently.
I missed you.
Yeah, I'm back. I'll send a chart. I've just entered some gold shorts. So.
Here goes GJ.
Yep, Emrad, I'll pull it up for a second. Just pause the live stream once I pull it up, and you can just have it set there. So here is the time for me. I'm Central Time, so adjust these accordingly. These are the check marks that are on. You go, and then the styles, just the colors. So just pause the live stream, and you can Check that out.
It's a pretty crazy daily candle.
Yeah, this will be a nasty hourly candle if this thing runs. Oh, here we go. Okay.
Looks like I'm gonna have to wait for London session to get my bullish move.
Mm-hmm.
That's alright.
Have any of you guys been able to catch any of these GA shorts?
No, I'm just looking at GJ.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been looking at GA more regularly recently.
Where you been at, bro?
Pardon?
Where you been at?
Oh, they've just started opening up the city, so being a little social butterfly.
Gotcha. Oh, okay, GJ. There you go. Hopefully somebody caught that. See you tomorrow, Hugo.
Yeah, I'm in it. Still, obviously, runners running. I want to close now, but I'm gonna let it run.
Yeah, I think you'll get that wick for the last thing that should have stopped us was right here, so.
Nice.
Looks like we're going to have some volume. Nice job, JB. I think your EJ probably played out. Dave, your cells played out.
Yeah, I secured half my positions for myself too.
Nice. Yeah, I think we're heading down to this target.
I was going to secure 75%, but I think to the left is so clean that I'm going to just leave more running this time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. If this candle doesn't do the whole move, I think the next 15 is just going to take it down right away.
That was a great move.
Wasn't
Maybe
quick.
next time I won't be so suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
But I think you had every right to be suspicious because on the 4 hour, like it can still work down, just go right back up. Like you get what I mean?
Yeah.
Obviously,
I have a right because I'm afraid, but.
No, I know. That's what I'm saying. I'm just like trying to understand.
just because I have a right doesn't mean I'm right.
Yeah, no, I'm just trying to understand more because even for me, this was like more of a risky move because of the 4 hour where it could whip down wherever it wants to and then go right back up.
Oh, to me, they're all risky moves.
I wouldn't have wick down that far, though.
Yeah.
I was thinking maybe this would have been the maximum we go if we're going to drive back up.
Protect your profits just in case.
Mm-hmm. Kabir, that depends. That's pretty situational. Depends on what you're comfortable doing. On moves like this, I didn't do anything, so that's what I would have done was nothing. And then we just missed that initial drop, that's all. If it's going to retest, it'll probably pull back up, but I think it has a better chance of continuing straight down because that was the first 15 minutes of the hourly. So I don't know if it would have did that to come all the way up. I think these next 15s are going to be pretty bearish, especially with clean traffic to the left.
Yeah, my next level is a zone, and it starts about 15 pips down. So next.
Yeah, I got in. It messed up my lot size. I got in here and I just closed here. It messed up the lot size, so I just got out. But I still made 118 bucks in about a second. Huh, oh man, that's weird. I think I have to use different, I gotta figure out those risk numbers, because I risked, so $10,000 account, I risked 0.25% is what I risked. And with an 8 pip stop, it placed a 2.7 lot size. So, I mean, I guess we're going to count that as a win, but I can't believe that would be that big of a lot size. That was weird. Yeah, so I caught the trade from, here, I'll show you. Yeah, trade, account history. So I had a 2.38 from 132.196, and I TP'd 131.995. But I'm just going to say no trade because there's no place to enter, and I don't know what's going on with this. I got to figure out what the risk is.
Wait, Paul, are you in this?
I got in and out in about a second.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I caught this move right here. I caught here to here.
Nice.
Yeah, but it messed up the lot size, I think. So I just got out because I didn't know what was actually being risked.
Yeah, just you play the safer bet.
Yeah, I'm going to do some math. So that would have been... That'd have been 23. What? That'd have been 23. I think it was a 8 pip step. Yeah, that thing dumped real quick. Yeah, 8 pip stop. Times 8. 184. That's not correct. Yeah, I'm just going to let this move go. There'll be plenty of moves tomorrow. But I did catch some of it. With the new account, the risk management seemed to be different, so I have to figure out what the correct, what 1% is actually going to be. No, I did 0.25. So, yeah, Tiger, I normally do. This one just was was too quick, and I wouldn't have recommended anyone to get in it. So
you wanted to risk $25, right?
no, I wanted to risk 0.25% of my account.
You said it was a $10,000 account, so that would be $25.
Yep, yeah, exactly. So I wanted to risk 50 because I was doing 2 positions, but it ended up risking about 190. So I'm glad I got out of that because I do not want to risk 2% right now.
So the way you can fix that is to hook it up, just switch to a demo account. Just log into a demo account.
No, it's different. It's different though. So on the challenge account, I had to risk 100% to risk 1%. And on the verification, it was normal, so 1% was 1%. Maybe it did type it in wrong.
That sounds strange.
Yeah, let me see what happens. It's only with FTMO that the risk, you just have to figure out what it is. So let me see.
Yeah, that happened to me.
0.25. Yeah, no, that's what I did. I don't know.
Remember what we talked about it?
Yeah. Let me see. Here, I'm just going to throw a pending on way away from all of this and see what happens. Yeah, I'm going to put a pending at like 133 and just see what kind of lot size it places with a 10 pip stop. There we go, 10 pip stop. We're going to do 1%. Maybe I did type 2.5 because it's a 1.07 right now for the lot size on that. I guess it is normal. Must have just been I'll just have to pay attention to it tomorrow and see what happens. Okay. Well, I mean, hopefully you guys caught some of this, but this is just going to be no trade for me. I don't really... That was the move, so we kind of just missed it. And it's a holiday, so I don't know if we're going to get too much more movement. We might fall down to here. Not really worth it for me to sit and try to catch some of what already happened. But normally everything is planned out. I was waiting for a close below here. This happened, and I thought, oh, maybe if we break below here, we'll see a continued move. And then the lot size looked weird, so I just got out. So that's why nothing was said. And close MT4. There we go. But yeah, the trade. If you go watch all the other live streams, every trade is planned out perfectly. Stop loss, take profit, partial stop, partial take profit, everything. But the move happened and didn't give me an entry I wanted. I was expecting kind of this thing to wick down and kind of close below here and establish a bottom wick, and then us to break that and then take it. But it didn't happen. So if you caught it, you caught it. I'm gonna just say I missed it and got a little lucky 1 second trade. That's all. I just did the FTMO broker. Their spread is phenomenal. It's less than a pip. So in New York session, it normally is like 0.2 to like 0.5 of a pip. Yep, yeah, Tiger. It's normally every single trade. Like I said, sometimes I think this was the second time I think it's happened in 4 months that I took one and didn't say anything. That's just because I know when I say stuff, people copy it and take it. So if I don't want them to do that, then I'm not going to say anything. Because as you can see, that trade would have now been in the negative. So, yep, I think we're going to call it soon because this was the move. You were either in it or you weren't. If you want to sit around for however long you got to maybe catch a little bit more, that's up to you. But this was Asian Sessions move right here, so kind of done for me. Yep.
And it was a great move.
Yeah, I mean, I caught, what was it? I caught 4 pips and made 120 bucks, so not bad. An accidental 1%.
I was gonna say, are you running Warzone tonight?
Yeah, I'm gonna end this and then get on.
Alright, let me know. I'll hop on with you if there's space.
I think it's just.
See you guys later. I'm gonna pop off.
Alright, see you tomorrow, Mike. I'll see you in the morning.
Yep. See you guys.
Yep.
Ciao.
Alright, stream. I'm gonna call it this. Like I said, we'll probably have a short one today because of the holiday. Luckily, we had a nice little move. You were either in it. Hopefully, some of you caught it. But we'll be back tomorrow with a full normal session till 8:30, like it says, and normal the rest of the week. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I am out.